Welcome to DIY Tech. How to connect with Netgear Installation Assistant. Plug the extender into an electrical outlet. Wait for the power LED to light green. Connect your device to the extender using a wired Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. To connect with a wired Ethernet connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect the Ethernet port on the extender to an Ethernet port on your computer or laptop. To connect with Wi-Fi, on your Wi-Fi-enabled devices, open the Wi-Fi connection manager and locate and connect to the extender network called Netgear_extension. Launch a web browser. Enter www.mywifix.net or 192.168.1.250 in the address bar of your browser. The new extender setup page shows. Click the new extender setup button. Complete the given fields on the setup page and click Enter and hit the Continue button. Select your Wi-Fi router's network to extend and click the Next button. In the Wi-Fi password field, fill password and click the Next button. Connect your Wi-Fi device to the new Wi-Fi network using the SSID. Be sure that your device is now successfully connected before you hit the Next button. A message shows that the extender is connected and ready. Click the Next button for registration page. Complete the given registration fields and clicks the Finish button to complete the setup. Thanks for watching.